In today's video, I'll teach you how to stop Instagram account from being suggested. So first of all, what you have to do is open the Instagram in the web browser. You'll not be able to find such settings in the application. So open any browser of your choice. Now tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply type in instagram.com and search for it. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, edit profile, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to edit your profile. You can see various profile information that you can edit. So what you have to do is scroll down. Now right over here you'll be able to find this section for show account suggestions on profile. Right now it is toggled on. If this is toggled on, people can see similar account suggestions on your profile. Further, your account can be suggested on other profiles too. So if you want to stop your account from being suggested, what you have to do is simply toggle this button off. Now tap on this option submit that you can see on the screen. Now your account will no longer be suggested in others' profile. Likewise, people will not be able to see similar account suggestions on your profile too. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you stop account from being suggested on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.